Going to see square and square root. What do you mean by perfect square? 2 square is equal to 2 into 2, we get 4. 3 square, square means power 2. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 4 into 4, we get 16. Here 4, 9 and 16 are perfect squares because they are square of some natural number or any other number. Now we will see some properties. First property we see 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 4 square, 4 into 4, 16. 6 square, 6 into 6, 36. Here 2 is even, 4 is also even. 4 is even, 16 is also even. 6 is even, 36 is also even. It means the square of an even number is always an even number. Similarly, we see the square of odd numbers. 1 square means 1 into 1. 3 square means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 5 square means 5 into 5, 25. Here, these are odd numbers. Their squares are also odd numbers. Now, we are going to see which numbers can never be a perfect square. Any number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros at its end. Let us see example 2, 1, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. Here we have taken 4 numbers. Here its unit digit is 2, so it will never be a perfect square. Its unit digit is 8, it will never be a perfect square. Its unit digit is 7, it can never be a perfect square. It has 3 zeros, means odd number of 0 at its ends, it can never be a perfect square. Similarly, if we take 1, 3, 2, 3, its unit digit is 3, so it can never be a perfect square. Now we are going to see another property. If we take the square of proper fraction, 1 by 2 square, we get 1 by 4. 2 by 3 square, we get 4 by 9. Here, square of this 1 by 2 is less than this. Means 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. 4 by 9 is less than this. In this way, square of any proper fraction is less than that fraction. Now we are going to see how we can check whether a given number is perfect square or not. One method is by prime factorization. Suppose we have to check 144, whether this is a perfect square or not. We will find its prime factor. 272, 236, 218, 2933. Means 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3 into 3. If we see 2 into 2, one pair and another pair of 3. Here all the prime factors are in pair, so it is a perfect square. If any number whose prime factors are not in pair, so then that number will not be a perfect square. Suppose the question is given, we have to, by which number we have to multiply the number to find its perfect square. Suppose we are given a number 180 and we have to check, we have to tell, we are given a number 180 and the question is by which number it must be multiplied to make it a perfect square or divided to make it a perfect square. First of all, we will find prime factor of 180, 2, 90, 2, 45, 3, 15, 3, 5. If we see these 2 forms a pair, 3 forms a pair, but 5 is not pair here, in pair. Means 180 here is equal to 2 into 2. Into 3 into 3 into 5. Means this is a pair, but 5 is unpaired. So, number by which 180 must be multiplied to make it a perfect square is 5, or must be divided will also be 5. Let us check. If we multiply 180 by 5, we get 900, and we can check 900 is a perfect square or not. We will find the prime factor of 900. 2, we get 450. 2, we get 225. Divide by 3, we get 7 and 5. If we divide by 3, we get 25. Again 5 and 5. Now we see these are forming pairs, hence this 900 is a perfect square. Now we will see if we divide it by 5 whether we will get a perfect square or not. We will divide 180 by 5. We are getting 36 here, and prime factor of 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. Here we are getting prime factors in pairs, so it is a perfect square. Now next question is, find the least perfect square divisible by 6, 9, 15. Question is like this. We have to find a number which is a perfect square and also divisible by all these three. Then first of all we will find the LCM of these three numbers, 6, 9 and 15. We are going to find the LCM. Here 2, we will get 3, 9, 15. Again if we divide by 3, we get 1, 3, 5 here. We will divide by 3, we will get 1, 1 and 5. We will divide by 5, we will get 1, 1 and 1. No, so the LCM of this number is 2 into 3, means 6, 3 is 18, 5 is 90. LCM here we have 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to, we get 90. Now 90 is not a perfect square. We have got LCM is equal to 90. But LCM is not a perfect square. The question is we have to find the perfect square which is divisible by this. Now prime factors of 90 will be 2, 45, 3, 15, 3 and 5. Here we see we have 3 in pair. Neither 2 nor 5 are in pairs. So we will have to provide 1, 2 and 1, 5. That is 2, 5 is 10. This must be multiplied. So least perfect square will be 90 into 2 into 5, because 1, 2 is less here, 1, 5 is less. We will get 900, and we know 900 is a perfect square. In this way we can solve questions like this. Now I am going to give some questions for practice. And the first question is, the smallest number, find the smallest number by which 320 must be multiplied to make it a perfect square. Second question is, find the least square number which is exactly, find the least square number exactly divisible by 412 and 16. And let it be 2 questions only.